Alright my guys, let's try this again, hey? So we did our first video, got some feedback from you guys, which is really helpful in how to fly this. Apparently there's some programming we can do. Someone actually said to read the instructions, which is a brilliant idea. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Unfortunately, we've lost our tailpiece, so we'll be running without it. Luckily it still looks really good. So scale, this thing, so cool. Yeah. This one. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? Well, you guys were totally right. This thing does fly pretty good. Much better than my first flight, which is awesome. So, like someone said, read the instructions, so I did. So all you have to do, when it's all paired and turned on, sitting on flat ground, you just hit your two sticks down like this. It'll beep and then it'll flash, sorry, and then it'll beep. And that means that your gyro has been calibrated, which is all I didn't do. So that explains why it was flying so badly. But yeah, it's just awesome. So thanks guys for that. I can actually fly it and enjoy it. Phew. Also, don't know if you noticed, but we got a little future project. So I've actually ordered 2 of these, one for me and one for a good mate of mine. So you'll see him on the channel soon, and we'll be doing drift builds, how to drift, all that sort of stuff, learning, having fun. But until next time guys, thanks for watching.